You want to make money on YouTube without having to reveal your face or create any videos? Then stick around since you've come to the right place. I've got you covered. This will be one of the best videos you can watch if you want to earn money on YouTube without having to reveal your identity, as I'll be breaking down one of the highest paying YouTube niches, personal finance niche, and teaching you how to create videos in the same niche without having to reveal your identity. So stay tuned because you won't miss out on learning how to monetize these types of channels and use this exact strategy to start making money from home using YouTube. Also, don't skip ahead in the video since you can miss out on some crucial information that will assist you in accomplishing all of this. Please give this video a thumbs up before I go on so that the YouTube algorithm can continue to deliver you videos like this. Also, subscribe and turn on the post notification. What exactly is personal finance? Personal finance refers to managing your finances, saving, and investing. It includes financial planning for retirement, banking, insurance, mortgages, investments, and taxes, as well as estate planning. The phrase is frequently used to describe the entire sector that offers financial services to people and households and provides them with financial and investment advice. Personal finance is about achieving individual financial objectives, such as having enough money to cover immediate expenses, making retirement plans, or setting aside money for your child's college tuition. Everything depends on your income, costs, living standards, and personal objectives and desires, and creating a strategy to meet those demands within your means. Developing financial literacy to discern between good and bad advice and making wise decisions to maximize your earnings and savings is crucial. Financial education can help you here. You serve as the viewer's financial educator when you produce YouTube videos in the personal finance niche. You might be wondering why we settle on this market segment over the others. Well, the fact that this niche is among the top-paying CPM niches is one of the key reasons for choosing it. You want to know why this is a high-paying niche compared to other niches? Let me explain it to you in more detail. The topic is quite crucial when it comes to your videos. Your target audience's age and demographics, as well as their location and language, all matter. All of this is significant because advertisers do not want to pay for content that does not support them. Whether that means the content is inappropriate for the audience they are marketing to or the audience does not have enough money and disposable income to buy the product in the first place. Since the finance niche essentially deals with financial matters, the types of ads shown will have a high CPM compared to other types. The audience in this sector is also not very young. Given that the majority of viewers of these videos are in the 20 to 45 age range, advertisers who know their target audience is capable of making a purchase will prefer to place financial advertisements on these types of videos. It's pretty challenging to choose a profitable niche to work in. But money only matters in areas with fierce competition. To achieve success faster, we must divide these macro niches into smaller sub-niches. It pays to be able to concentrate your efforts due to the financial niche's size and level of competition. Selecting a sub-niche may help your videos stand out in the search results by lowering the competition. Stay tuned while we talk about the top personal finance sub-niches for 2022. But before we get into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. First is financial planning. Today, everyone is looking for financial teachers that can guide them through the most effective financial planning techniques. This micro niche is an excellent choice if you have experience in financial planning and have had some success in this sub-niche because you will only be covering financial planning related topics. Budgeting is another option. It quantifies the anticipated revenues that a person or company expects to achieve in the future. People are interested in budgeting, how to control their spending, and other topics. You could therefore make a video on that. There is also the sub-niche of reducing debt or getting out of debt. Consumer debt affects millions of people, and most of those struggling with it is looking for ways to lighten or get rid of their load. One might also concentrate on student savings. Most students worldwide work part-time and are concerned about their student savings. You'll be able to provide them with relevant advice as a result. These are some sub-niches on which you can create your videos. There are numerous others, including retirement and money management. Please comment below if you'd like me to make a more detailed video on them. Now, allow me to present examples of personal finance-related YouTube channels that produce faceless videos. The first channel I'd like to introduce to you is Next Level Life. The channel offers advice on creating budgets, saving money, investing, and other topics. Nearly 200,000 people are now subscribers to the channel. If you look at their videos, you'll notice that they have videos like how to legally never pay taxes again. If you watch the video, you'll see that it's just a voiceover talking about taxes while showing various photos and video segments that weren't theirs. The voice actor for these videos does not appear in front of the camera or reveal their face. According to Social Blade, over 144,000 views per month are recorded by the channel, according to statistics. A CPM of roughly $35 per 1,000 views is typical for the finance niches. Therefore, this channel makes a respectable $5,000 every month based on math. They may earn a lot more money by using the alternative monetization strategies I'll cover in this video. You must conduct extensive research and develop a script after choosing a title. You don't have to be a money expert to give financial education to others. You can extensively study online to provide solutions to your audience's issues. If you cannot write a compelling script, you can hire a freelancer on Upwork.com or Fiverr.com to write the entire script. The structure of a script must be defined before writing can begin. While some independent scriptwriters may write the whole script for you, it won't be a blank canvas if you can provide the framework. A blank canvas is challenging to work with at first, especially if you're doing it alone. You'll need in-depth research by watching numerous videos and taking notes to get the format down, and your script will come out fantastic. The reason for following their lead is that these successful channels are successful. Modeling success doesn't mean you have to follow the framework or copy everything. If the structure is laid out, writing the script will be more straightforward. After writing a script, run it through Copyscape to ensure it's entirely original and doesn't violate any copyrights. You must record the voiceover when you've completed composing the script. If you don't think you'll be able to complete the voiceover to your satisfaction, you may always hire someone to do it professionally using Fiverr or Upwork.com. You'll need a microphone if you want to record it yourself. If you don't want to spend the money on a good microphone, I advise using your phone. Most people watching this video use smartphones. So all you need to do to record voiceovers is use your phone's built-in voice recording app. You'll need to gather footage and edit it in a video editor once you finish writing your script and voiceover. Power Director, which enables you to edit videos and then post them to YouTube. This is what I advise using if you want to perform the editing on your phone. I'd assume you were using a computer, which I'd suggest since it has a lot of capabilities that a phone doesn't. You'll be able to optimize your videos better thanks to it. If you're using a laptop, I recommend using OpenShot, which you can find at openshot.org, or Camtasia, which is even better because it allows you to record your audio inside of it, making things much more accessible. Now I'll demonstrate how to find video clips for your project. Animation is also used in the Next Level Life YouTube channel videos. You can pay someone to create animation for your videos on Upwork.com or Fiverr if you also want to use it. Additionally, you can use videos from websites like Pexels.com and Pixabay.com. You could also use services like Pictory or FlexClip to find clips and assemble your video for you in minutes. Try them for free using my link in the description. Consider that you are making a video that urges people to start saving. In that situation, you can always visit Pixabay.com and search for stock footage of random individuals, perhaps in a bank, or a photo of a jar full of cash. Remember that the videos you use should make sense when the voiceover is playing. You wouldn't want to display a picture or a video of someone partying if the voiceover is about saving money. Check again to ensure the narrative matches the image or video on the screen. Now that I've taught you how to create videos for the personal finance niche, let's speak about monetization. If you're a member of the YouTube Partner Program, which you can join after amassing 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can have advertisements play on your videos. You get paid for the views and ads people see when they see them. Therefore, not every view is monetized. On average, you receive payment for every 1,000 views of your videos. A CPM rate is a term used to describe advertisers' prices. YouTube has since introduced a new metric that illustrates how much money we keep from that. There is no more excellent offer on the internet than the YouTube Partner Program, which gives us 55% of all ad revenue, and YouTube takes 4 to 5%. YouTube has now introduced revenue per middle views. So instead of just seeing how much the advertiser spent, you'll be able to see how much you're paid per 1,000 views. But even while we can always see the total amount of money we earned, we have to calculate our earnings per 1,000 views. The figures are now available for our inspection. I advise making your videos at least 8 minutes long for several ad breaks. After you're monetized, I recommend adding an ad every 2 minutes in your video, one at the start and one at the finish. Ad revenue might be very profitable, but let's discuss other monetization techniques that might enable you to generate even greater earnings, particularly in this niche. Another method to profit from the videos you create is through affiliate marketing. Because it is so straightforward, I think this monetization strategy is the most popular. In essence, you are a middleman who connects a customer with a service or a product in return for a commission. You could visit an affiliate marketplace website like digistore24.com. In such a situation, there are thousands of different goods to sell. People interested in personal finance can be sold a wide variety of products. People who view personal finance videos are most interested in increasing their income and profit margins. You could distribute and sell different ebooks on the digistore24.com marketplace to your audience. Whenever you create a video, you can link to the specific product, like an ebook you wish to promote, in the description, and pin it to the comment section. The only thing left is to inform your viewers about the links you included in the video. Offering a video course, viewers must pay to view another way to generate income. Video courses are a well-known way to monetize your expertise in a particular industry. Once a problem has been identified, create a video course to address it. It ought to guide viewers toward finding a resolution to their issue. Another approach to earning a lot of money is selling brand merchandise. You may start selling goods like t-shirts and mugs with brand messages and inspirational phrases when you have a considerable following. They are inexpensive services that can raise the value of your business. When your members aren't ready to make a more significant purchase, you might use them as the first offer. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2022 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.